Hello everyone, Maria back with another Tech Tuesday video, and today we're going to be looking at Academic Search Complete. It's a great resource for students, anybody that's researching papers, needs another scholarly article or a journal, magazine, and you're running out of resources as far as books are concerned. This is a great place to start. So everything you see here can be used in research papers and things like that. So yeah, we'll just jump right into it. So as always, first place we're going to go is our library's website, mapld.org. We're going to go to Research and Learning. You will need your library card and PIN number for this particular database. So if you have any issues with your PIN, remember you can always give us a call at 708-748-4431. Email us at mtslib@mapld.org or use our Let's Talk feature here up on the left-hand corner. And a virtual librarian could help you sort those things out. Okay, so Research and Learning, A to Z list. The first thing you see on our list here, Academic Search Complete. When you first click on it, it's going to give you this page. So remember, library card number here, PIN, hit sign in, and this is what you will see. Okay, so enter any words to find books, journals, or more. So it's very easy. You don't need to know anything as far as like Booleans, which is like using capital words like and or not or. You just go ahead and type in what you're looking for, and the database is really great at finding just the subject or the topic person that you're looking for. So for this month, I thought it'd be good if we did Earth Day, since Earth Day is at the end of April. Go ahead and click search. And the first thing you're going to see is just regular articles. You always want to, in Academic Search Complete, hit full text here on where it says limit to. Full text will always show you complete PDFs or HTML full texts of these articles. It won't give you an abstract or summary requiring you to go to a different site or things like that. It'll always have just what you need here. Newswire on the right hand side here will give you some things that have happened in the news recently. They have images of Earth Day here at the bottom, so you can see, click on that, it'll open up. We'll have videos right here. So after the first one or two, usually around 2 or 3 top articles that come up, you can go ahead and they'll show you a little bit of area word videos. So you can always hit view our results to see all the videos. You can also go on the left hand side where it says limit to and do publication date. So if you want things that are more recent. You can also search by what type of source you want. So just magazines, say your instructor says just nothing but newspaper articles. You can hit newspapers and that's what you'll get. And then lastly, what I want to show you guys, you could also sign in too. So if you want to sign in and make a folder, that's accessible to you too. But you can also, watch me click on here, you can also download the full text. So if you click on full text, it'll generate the article for you. And here you can either print, you can download to your computer, you can scroll to see what the article is about. You can also send it to your Google Drive. So you could also print, email it, put it in the folder. Very important area is this right here, cites. If you click on that, it'll give you how to put the citation depending on what citation format that your instructor wants, which is a great tool. You don't want to lose points on your reference or bibliography page. So definitely use that. But that is it. Go back to results list, take you back to where you were, and there you go. You can explore, you can do advanced searches, basic searches, search history, but it's very simple, easy to use. Great resource if you're running out of actual print material for your papers or just your, even just regular day research if you were looking up something. But that is it. So remember, library card, you need your pen. Go to our website, mapld.org. You're going to go to Research and Learning, A to Z list. So it'll be the first thing you see right here, Academic Search Complete. That is it. Until next time, stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.